In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily generate a random sample from a list of data in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a list of 100 different random company names and corresponding first names. And let's say you wanted to grab a sample of 10 different random items from this list. To do this, we first want to highlight the number of rows that corresponds to the sample size that we're trying to grab. So in this instance, we want 10 items. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows, and then the corresponding column as well. Now, for the formula that we're going to use, we're going to do equal sorts by, and we want to sort this array right here. Comma, we want to sort on. We want to sort on by some sort of random number that corresponds to the item that we're grabbing in this list. So to do that, we're going to equals rand array. Scroll back up so you can see a bit better. Rand array. Now, how many rows do we want to have in our array? Well, we want the number of rows to correspond to the number of items in our list. You can just type it right here, or you can make it a bit more dynamic by having a count A. We're going to do count A and count the number of items that we have in our list. And from here, we're going to close parentheses. So it's fully close. Now here is the most crucial part. We want to not press enter. We want to make an array function. So we're going to press Control-Shift-Enter. If we press enter, then it's just going to spill to the entire size of the list, and it's not going to do what we want. We want this function to only spill within the range that we have grabbed. So to do that, we're going to press Control-Shift-Enter to make it an array function, which you can kind of see it's an array function by designated by these little squiggly brackets right here. And now, whenever we go through and we press F9, then it will automatically recalculate and generate a new random sample. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.